See how to install Laravel on Mac. So let's head over to Laravel, and here you can just jump over to get started, and I can install Laravel using Herd. So basically Herd is kind of a additional package which will install Laravel on your Mac, but I'm not going to use that way. Instead, let me check. Okay, I will use this command, and in my editor I will type this command. So you see it is saying I already have this Herd, so I will say no, but let me do it and say yes. So you see it is downloading the PHP binary right on my system, and while it is downloading, let's go back to what it is saying. Okay, so basically you can use this command if you already have the composer installed. So if I copy, okay, so after you hit the command, it will install the Laravel installer, and then you just have to run this command. So basically this Laravel version is kind of a package that will install all the things that Laravel requires. So just type Laravel new my app. Okay, so when you install Laravel, it will ask you, do you need Laravel Breeze, Jetstream? These are kind of starter templates that you can use, but I will go with no starter template. And there are two options here also for testing frameworks. There are PHP Unit is a older framework. Many old PHP programmers know about that. And there is one called Pest. So I would like to install Pest. Let's jump to okay. So we need to run this command. I think we can skip this, and we can directly jump on this one. So it is still installing. Okay, so it is saying which database you need, so I will go with SQLite for now. It is saying to install in the migrations. Yes, it will create few tables for us. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so it is saying 1 minute. It's taking some time. Okay, so let me run composer run dev. Okay, so what it will do, it will run this in the background, and let me open localhost. Okay, so you can see we have successfully installed this Laravel 11, which is I think the latest one. So how you can check if it is the latest one or not? Just stop the server and run composer outdated. So it will check through your package.json file and will see or look into the repositories to see if you have the latest one or not. Okay, what it is saying, it is saying everything up to date, so there are other things that we can safely ignore. So yeah, that's it.